As you know, I usually try and start out, pick a few things that I'd like to show everybody, some main points, things I really like about a house, but this house has got so much going on. We're just gonna give you the tour. Trust me, you're gonna love it. First of all, I mean, the garden, the landscaping here, obviously a lot of TLC put into this. And then for us men out there, we have our own little man cave outside house at the entrance here. So nice, peaceful place to rest and gather your thoughts. You got a beautiful garden to come out on. And then we head into the house. Don't forget the pond. Got a beautiful little sitting nook there out on the porch. Another place to just relax and enjoy yourself. A nice day. Utility room off here. There's your washer and dryer. You come inside. You got a great open concept home. And there we go. How can you not love that, right? Beautiful view of the lake. You've got all the standard things. You got stainless granite, engineered wood flooring. Very well done home. Let's head out on the deck. Look at that. So you've got another little sitting area, all fenced, so you've got privacy. You got a nice large backyard, terrace down to the lake. Got a little dock down there. All your little canoes and whatnot for enjoying it. Let's head back inside. All right, so real quickly, we'll just do upstairs. It's got your 3 bedrooms, 2 baths upstairs with the primary. So you can see plenty of space. We've got a walk-in closet over there. Large garden tub, soaking tub. You've got a shower, and again, a view of the lake. What's not to like about this home, people? Yeah, all right, let's head out over here. Yeah, shared bathroom. Back over here. Another decent sized bedroom with a large closet. You got bamboo for privacy. I'm growing outside your window there. And another decent sized room with a view of the lake. So you got a man cave where you can go and relax. You've got 3 bedroom, 2 bath upstairs, right? And you've got a half bath for when you have people over, entertaining on the deck. But not only that, you've got a separate space downstairs for generational living. Nice big open space. It has its own access to the lake outside here. You can go back around and get out to the gate, get out to your vehicles. So open space here. And then a bedroom here. Let's get over here. And you've got a 3/4 bath with a shower and whatnot. Okay, let's head outside and just go take a look at the lake. Here we are, terrace down, beautiful day. What's not to like about this home? You've got the engineered wood, granite, stainless, hardy board. It's a really well-built home with a lot of beautiful things about it to like. I'll get all the details and the listing information on the post. It's all there for you. Get a hold of me. Let's get this thing with a new family in it soon. All right, thanks for watching. Give me a call and let's get you into this home. Bye now.